friends, my name is Chowdatta Chahane and today I am going to talk about an automobile industry which has dominated the automobile market in India. Yes, I am talking about Tata Motors. Tata Motors is one of the leading automobile manufacturers in the world. Tata Motors not only manufactures cars and SUV but it also manufactures light and heavy duty vehicles. It has a huge contribution in the defense sector of India. It provides armed vehicles to the Indian military and also provides heavy duty logistic transportation to the military sectors. Tata Motors, which was previously known as Telco, that is Tata Engineering and Locomotive Company Limited, is a part of Tata Group which has other industries like textiles, steels and petroleum. So what helped Tata Motors to be a successful firm? Let's talk about it. First, let's consider about the value chain of Tata Motors. It includes product development section, uh, raw material section, manufacturing section, sales and distribution section, and in the end, after services section. Let's talk in detail about it. First, talking about the raw materials. Tata Tata Motor has always the main raw materials which are needed for the manufacturing of an automobile are steel and aluminium. And as we know that Tata Motors has its own Tata Steel company, most of its materials are procured from the company itself. The other materials that are required are engines, axles, tires and all other stuffs are procured from different countries and from the local vendors. Tata Motors has always encourages local vendors. The Tata Motors has constantly engaged with its vendors by setting periodic meetings with them. The meetings included dealing with vendors, annual meetings, regional meetings, and district meetings. It helps the company. It helps the company to be in constant touch with their vendors and maintain good relationships with them. Coming to the manufacturing section, it has six manufacturing firms all over the India, namely in Gujarat, Karnataka, Jamshedpur, Uttarakhand, Uttaranchal, and even in Karnataka. Talking about the innovation, Tata Motor has always strived towards giving the customers high quality products. The innovation in manufacturing is like it has introduced 3D printing system, 3D printing technology in manufacturing. So the 3D printing technology is used for developing a 3D prototype of a parts which are complex and hard to manufacture. Using this technology, a complex part is made and analyzed. The 3D technology used to save a lot amount of raw materials and also cost. The prototype which is made by using this technology is of high standards. After the manufacture comes the logistic department. The logistic department not only covers the outbound logistics but also the inbound logistics. So, um, talking about the inbound logistics, the raw materials. As we know that Tata Motors encourages local vendors. Most of the small items are procured from the local vendors. It helps the company to reduce the cost in logistics as the vendors are located in local areas itself. The other technique innovation that they have done in the logistic is that they have made a concept of milk route. It is a route in which a single vehicle can cover more of its suppliers and vendors, which helps them to reduce the use of number of multiple vehicles and the material handling systems. So as we all know that Tata Motors has done a revolutionary step, has done a revolutionary thing by introducing the cheapest vehicle, that is Tata Nano, which just costs $2,000, that is 1 lakh in INR. Being the cheapest vehicle, the anticipated demand that the company has given was not able to, they were not able to fulfill their anticipated demand. The reason behind this was they have wrongly anticipated the people's thinking. Even though it was cheap in cost, but there is a thinking amongst people like lower the price, lower will be the quality. Because of this, they were not able to complete. They were not able to sell that much product that they were supposed to. Looking forward to what more changes, what more innovations can Tata Motors do in its automobile section. Thank you.